Hey guys, I am here at Port 32 Marina in Tierra Verde and got a really cool boat to show you. It's a 1992 Luhrs, hang on a second here, 300 tournament that has been completely redone. Show you the boat here. It's got 23 hours on brand new Crusader engines, new electronics, new stereo, new lighting. Man, the list goes on and on. And the owner really did a nice job putting this boat together. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on and walk you around, take you down below. And, you know, all new lighting, all new hose bibs. The cushions were redone. See, all new lights, new underwater lights. Check that out. Mind you, this is a 1992. All of this was redone. All new gauges, all new controls, all new switching, all new acrylic plates, new shifters. There's a box being created for this area here. There'll be another Garmin underneath here. And this Garmin that's here temporarily will go up on the bridge. All new switching here. That's all new, folks. New countertop. Cabinet was rebuilt. Down below here, the doors and drawers were reused. New electric head. Right here. There's the flusher for it. New upholstery. It's a real nice setup. He said it runs at about 3,200 RPMs, 30 miles an hour, which is pretty darn good. These are 330 horsepower engines. Run you up to the bow here real quick. All new sea decking. The boat does have a wrap on it, and he's still doing more work to it. He's doing some work to the aluminum. This windshield frame here is going to get painted, and then he's going to do some cleanup on the structure for the tower. And yeah, all new fish box setup, all new pumps. Whatever he could replace, he replaced it. Isinglass is about 4 years old. That new radio, VHF, that will go in this lower box that I was talking about that's going to be built. So this will all get cleaned up. So when you come and see this thing, it'll be all nice and clean. And yeah, there you have it. More information about the boat. We haven't priced it yet because it's pretty hard to comp. It's like a brand new 1992. Give me a call at 813-857-3648. Like, share, comment. You need to know anything about this boat, I could help you out. If I don't know it, the owner can definitely help me out. He's got the complete build process of this thing, and he's got a bunch of pictures throughout the retrofit process. So I'll be able to share some of those photos with you as well. Got her all fired up. Get a few drone shots of her. Oh, she purrs. Great water flow. And believe it or not, she's dirty. She's due for a detail.
Need your bag here or no?
Yeah, I can leave that there.
You want to leave it here?
Yeah. I got to calibrate the compass on the drone. I'll do it up top.
That's out there.
All right. Talk to you guys soon.